Hi, Mike Flaherty here with a quick video showing how you can quickly scale your TestComplete tests to run on different devices using BitBar. TestComplete aims to give you the confidence that your application functionality works as expected. Running the same TestComplete tests on SmartBear BitBar gives you the additional capability to run on many different devices and configurations that you don't have to maintain yourself. You can run tests in parallel for additional speed, but overall gives you the confidence that your application functionality works as expected wherever your end users may use it. So I have a very simple login test here where I'm logging into a simple web application with a series of steps where I enter some credentials. My first operation here navigates to my local Chrome browser to a certain URL. I can then replace that very easily by just deleting, bringing in my run remote browser operation, passing in my tester site URL. The server URL for the WebDriver is already pre-populated, so all I need to do is pick what platform, device, browser, or resolution I want to choose. So for example, I want to run this on a Mac running Safari. That's it. I just run. This then pushes the WebDriver to BitBar. So I will see that my counter is at 1. And under projects, I can see I have a test running on Mac. I can jump in and choose to look at a live view to actually watch the test running, or just wait for the log to generate and review my results in TestComplete. My test on BitBar has completed, and I have the same detail of the log report I would have as a local test. I can see all the steps, I can see the details, and even screenshots of what occurred during my testing. Now let's looking at running a group of tests at scale in parallel on BitBar. So I have a group of my functional tests here. My first step is obviously to log in, and then I've nested some functional tests underneath it that I want to run in parallel on different devices. The first step, login, I will use my Parallel Cloud Environment toolbar to add different platforms, operating systems, and browsers and resolutions to my tested URL, which I've stored in a variable here. It's very easy to add new environments. To click on New Environment and add whatever environments that I wish to run on. And that's it. I just click on Run. Now my tests are running in parallel. My BitBar dashboard is updated with 5 parallels. Under Projects, I can see I have 5 different test runs occurring at once. My parallel testing has completed. My log has been pushed back to my local TestComplete. I can see my duration. I can see all of my tests that ran. I can see that my start time for all of these is around the same. I can drill down to each individual test case and see all of the log detail I would expect to see for all of my individual tests. Also, on the BitBar dashboard, I can look at my test results and see things like detailed device reports, but also if I've configured screenshots or even a full recording of the playback. And that's it.